Hello everyone, welcome to Splendid Ideas with Maria. On today's video, I'm excited to show you how to create another gorgeous Christmas centerpiece. If you like what you see, click the like button and share it with your friends. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a video. Happy holidays! For this centerpiece, I'm going to use this floral foam ring and this 15 feet garland, and I got them both from the Dollar Tree. And all I'm going to do is just wrap the garland around the ring. Now I'm gonna take some of these flowers and some of these leaves, and I'm just gonna put them together and glue them around the garland. Next, I'm gonna take this silver glittery pine cones and I'm gonna glue them right next to each flower. Now I'm gonna take this silver glittery ornament and I'm just gonna glue them wherever I have an empty space. Now I'm gonna take a few more of these white flowers and I'm just gonna fill in all the empty spaces. Let me show you what it looks like. It's turning out really pretty. And to add a touch of a different color, I'm just going to add this gold ornaments. And look how gorgeous this looks. I'm loving the way it's turning out. It's really beautiful. Next, I'm gonna take this small glass serving dish and I'm gonna glue it together to this glass bowl. I'm gonna use my hot glue gun, but remember, when gluing glass together, always use strong glue like the E6000. Now, I'm going to take my bowl and I'm going to put it right in the middle of the wreath. And then I'm going to fill up my bowl with acrylic gems. Next, I'm going to take this snowflake ornament. I'm going to cut out the center and I'm gonna glue one of the white flowers right in the center. For this, I'm gonna use my hot glue gun. And then I'm going to glue this ornament on my candle. to glue my snowflake to my candle, I'm just gonna take my hot glue gun, melt a little bit of the wax on the side of my candle, and then I'm gonna place it there. The wax will help hold the snowflake in place. And now all I have to do is put my candle inside of the bowl. And here you have it, my friends. This gorgeous centerpiece is very inexpensive. Most of the items are from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree except the bowl, and that you can find anywhere in those dollar stores. I found one in the thrift shop for like $2. It's very inexpensive, it's very beautiful, so you can have a really gorgeous Christmas centerpiece for your table. All right, my friends, this is all for now. If you like this video, click the like button and share it with your friends. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe so that you can receive notifications every time I upload a video. Happy holidays!